Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to discuss questions on statements and arguments, friends. Right? Statements and arguments, which is used for UPSC prelims paper 2 CSAT, friends. Right? So you can download the daily newspaper analysis from our Telegram channel. Right, friends? So we move further. Here you can see the WhatsApp group. Here we will conduct daily mains answer writing initiatives. You can participate in this and the answers will be evaluated day to day itself, friends. Right? So day to day the answer evaluating session will be conducted here. So you may join this following WhatsApp group, friends. Right? Next you can see you can follow me on my Facebook page. Next you can subscribe blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding personality developments and other UPSC related articles. You can get from joining the Telegram channel, you can get various kinds of PDF which is most useful for UPSC and other competitive examinations, friends. Right? Next we move further here. That is today's our agenda is statements and arguments practice with SSPS challenge series, that is 100% clearing UPSC paper 2 CSAT, friends. Right? So there will be no doubt to you. You can damn sure clear the paper 2 if you practice this kind of strategy. So please stay tuned with Acquire IAS, right, friends, and rest you have to practice as much as questions possible, friends. Next we see today's statements and arguments. So in statement and arguments, let us first discuss about what is statement and argument, friends. Right? So let me tell you this. So for example, suppose statement 1 says Corona is good to world. Corona is good to world. And second one says Corona is good to world economy. Right, friends? Corona is good to world economy. And here they will be given 5 options to you: A, B, C, D and E, friends. Right? And in this you have to choose one of the correct answers. So what the option number A says, only statement 1 is correct. Second says only statement 2 is correct. And third says either 1 or 2 is correct. Either 1 or 2 is correct. Means here one of the statement will be wrong and one of the statement will be correct, friends. Right? Next here says both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct. Next here says both the statements are wrong. So in this pattern the statement and argument questions are given, and it is useful for UPSC CSAT as well as other examinations also, friends. Right? So this is a brief introduction about the statement and argument, and today we will solve some questions, basic questions, right, friends, and in next videos we will go little bit to the higher levels, friends. So without getting delayed, we will start the series. So this is questions. Here you can see the instructions for all the questions. Each question given below consists of a statement followed by 2 arguments numbered 1 and 2. You have to decide which of the arguments is a strong argument and which is a weak argument, right, friends? Given answers, so give answers. So here there will be 5 options as I have said to you. Option number A, if only 1 is correct, if only argument 1 is correct. And option number 2 says if only argument 2 is correct. And option number 3 says if either 1 or 2 is the correct. And option number D says if neither 1 nor 2 is the correct statement. And option number E says if both the statements are strong. Right, friends? So next we see to the question practice, friends. So I hope you understood the rules and regulations regarding the statement and arguments. And before coming to the statement and argument, you can go for the English comprehension, how to solve the English comprehension, and it is the expansion of that itself. So there is nothing new in this. You have to know the what to grasp from the scrap, right friends? So it is most important. So the first question is on the screen, so you can read out here. The statement says, should India encourage exports which most things are insufficient for internal use itself? And argument number one says, yes, we have to earn foreign exchange to pay for our imports. Second statement say, no, no, selective encouragements would lead to shortage. Right friends, so here there are 4 options as well, so you can 5 options as well. You can select the correct answer from here. So please do pause the video and try to attempt the answer, and let me know the answer also, how many of you doing the correct answer for this, right friends? So now let me tell you the answer for this question. The answer for this question is A will be the right answer. So option A will be the right answer, that is only argument 1 is the correct answer, right friends? Why not B? Because even selective encouragements would lead to the shortage. Yes, because when you are not fulfilling your needs, then how can you offer for someone else, right friends? So it is little bit not a good strategy, right friends? So option number B will be wrong answer. So you can see the explanation here clearly. India can export only the surplus and that which can be saved after fulfilling its own needs to pay for its imports, right friends? After fulfilling the own needs, then only it can be exported, right friends? Encouragement to exports cannot lead to shortage as it shall be provided the resources for imports. So only argument 1 is holds, right friends? So in this manner you have to solve the question. So now let me take you to the next question. Try to attempt this question. If the first question goes wrong, try to attempt this question. Don't be nervous, friends, right? So here the statement says, should all the drugs patented and manufactured in the Western countries be first tried out on sample basis before giving license for sale to general public in India? Argument says first option, that is, or statement 1 says, argument 1 says, many such drugs requires different doses and durations for Indian population and hence it is necessary. And second argument says, no, this is just a feasible and hence cannot be implemented. So which statement is correct? So which argument is correct? So please choose the correct answer from the belowing options, friends, right? So now let me tell you the answer for this question. The answer will be, so let me tell you first the explanation for these questions, right friends? See, first of all, Western country, it is comparing with the Western countries. So I'll take the examples of Western countries only, friends, right? So in Western countries, the temperature, the interclimate, you can say, interclimate weather, whatever it is there, so it is totally different from India, friends, right? It is totally different from India. So we cannot say whatever the medicines which are suitable for Western countries, it is also suitable for India, right friends? So in this perspective, the option number 1 is the right answer. So option number, only arguments 1 is the strong for this statement, friends, and second is wrong statement, friends. So we will go for the option A, and let me take you to the explanation here. So yes friends, you can see here the explanation. The health of the citizen is an issue of the major concerns for the governments. So a product like drugs must be first studied and tested in the Indian context before giving license for its sale. So argument 1 only holds the strong, friends, right? So in this manner you have to attempt. Next we move further, the third question. Here you can see the statement, should India make efforts to harness solar energy to fulfill its energy requirements? And argument says, yes, most of the energy sources used at present is exhaustible. And second statement says, no, harnessing solar energy requires a lot of capital which India lacks. So which is the following options will be correct? So tell me in the comment section, friends. So now let me tell you the answer for this. Answer will be A is the right answer, that is only one, argument 1 is the strong, because that is most of the energy source are used at present is exhaustible, and the solar energy is non-exhaustible, right friends. So for this reason only A is the right answer. And second statement will see the solar energy requires a lot of capital which India lacks, so second statement is wrong, friends. Next we see about the explanation, that is harnessing solar energy will be helpful as it is inexhaustible resources unlike other resources, right friends. So here you can see argument 1 holds but 2 is vague means not clear, right? And solar energy is the cheapest form of the energy as compared to other energies, right friends. So for this purpose option A will be the right answer. Next we see further the fourth question, that is statement here says should there be students in college or universities? Should there be student union, sorry I missed this word. Should there be students union in college or university? Argument says, argument number 1, no, this will create a political atmosphere in the campus. And argument 2 says yes, it is very necessary, students are future political leaders. So which of the following is the correct answer? You can choose, you can pick up the right answer from the below options, friends, right? So now let me tell you the correct answer for this. The correct answer for this are both the statements will be right answer, friends. Both the statements will be right answer, because there will be creating a political atmosphere in the colleges or the campus entirely, you can say. Yes, this statement goes correct, and it is very necessary that students are the future political leaders. Yes, it is obviously correct. Yeah, so both the statements here are right, friends. So here our answer will be E will be the right answer. Let us see explanation. See, the students union formation shall be a step towards giving to students the basic education in the field of politics, right friends. It is a basic education which is given to the students regarding the politics, friends, right? And however it will create the same political atmosphere in the campus. Thus the both arguments holds the right, both strong, friends, right? Next we see the last question of this video. The statement says should India give away Kashmir to Pakistan? So think about it. The arguments for this statement is argument number 1, no, Kashmir is a beautiful state, it earns a lot of foreign exchange for India. And argument 2 says yes, this would help settle conflict. So what would you think about this? So let me tell you the explanation regarding this first of all, right? So for example I can say, let me tell you one thing. For example, right friends, this is your home, just treat it as home, don't be too annoy on me because मेरा घर ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. So bear with me, friends, for this. I am very much poor in artistic field, right friends. So here I can say this is your home, and some X person will come and say this part is belongs to me. So would you leave this part to him? So without any reason you will never leave this part, because he doesn't have any kind of documents, it is not regarding his property, it is belongs to you, so you will never leave this property, friends. So in similar way, how can the Kashmir, India can leave the Kashmir part? So no, Kashmir is a beautiful state, it earns a lot of foreign exchange to India. So it earns or doesn't earn, it doesn't matter for India, but it is a part of India, so it should not be given, friends. So yes, it would help the settle conflict. So second statement goes wrong and first statement here will be correct, friends. So here our only argument 1 is the correct. Option number A will be right answer for these questions. Next we see about the explanation here. India cannot be part with a state that it is major foreign exchange earners to it. So argument 1 holds strong. Further, giving away a piece of land unconditionally and unreasonably. So you can see here the unconditionally and unreasonably is no solution to settle the dispute, right friends. If he says if you give this part to him, okay friend, if you give this part to him, later on some other person will come and say this entire part is belongs to me, so you should vacate this house. So this is not a right strategy, friends, right? So you need to understand the crux of this question. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please do like it, and if you do not like the video, let me know why do you not like the video, friends. So let me upgrade the quality of video as per the demand, friends, right? So that is it for this video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. So thank you very much. Have a great day.